Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this wine opener here with Zinc Alloy Premium Wing Corkscrew wine bottle opener here with multifunctional bottle opener too. It's an upgraded version by Beneno. This is an upgraded material which the brand is using here. It means more durable and corrosion-resistant. The premium Wings Corkscrew is made of 100% zinc alloy. And it's an all-in-one design. The multifunctional Corkscrew with corkscrew built-in bottle opener is designed for wine, beer, and other bottles with the caps or the corks meet all our needs. And with a mechanical gear here, this keeps the screw stays centered off the cork and prevent slippage. The open bottles with an ease movement. And we have a sharp edge screw here. This keeps the corks from breaking. No cork crumbling in our wine. It's just more. The Beneno's assurance. Every Beneno product is covered with a lifetime assurance. This is really cool. If our experience is any issue with the Beneno product, we can feel free to contact them and they will replace or refund us. Wow, this is a big fact with an statement that this mechanism will work day for day and year for year. The Beneno team is dedicated to improve the details of our manual kitchen tools here. They have a professional R&D and a factory team to study and improve the pain points of common manual kitchen tools. They encourage us and our family to experience the joy of life through the hand tools, allowing us to simply enjoy every moment of our life. And this is a cool thing. This here is a wing corkscrew. The wing corkscrew, sometimes called the cork extractor, butterfly corkscrew or old corkscrew, or of course an Indian corkscrew or an angle corkscrew, has two levers, one on either side of the worm. As the worm is twisted into the cork, the levers are raised, as you can see. By pushing down the lever door, the cork from the bottle in one smooth motion. The most common design is a rag and a pinion connection, the lever to the body. The head of the central shaft is frequently modified to form a bottle opener, in this case here too. Or for a cutter increases the utility of the device. The corkscrews of these designs are particularly popular in household use. In 1880, William Burton Baker was issued a British patent number 2950 for his double-lever corkscrew, with both levers sliding onto the upper end of the shank. You can see this is an old design, but it works really. Century by century, of course. The first American patent was in 1930, granted to the Italian Domenico Rosati, who immigrated to Chicago, Illinois, to work as a bartender before the Prohibition. Rosati's design had an exposed rack and a pinion mechanism. Such a design was adapted to by other brands or the wine market grew in popularity, of course. And here it comes. This is a really nice opening tool. That means we have a stable rivet design. The stable rivet is a fixation and a drawer for a pull and press. Mechanism gear design stays centered and prevents slippage. And we have built-in bottle opener, as you can see here. The multifunctional opener for bottles. This all-in-one design brings more convenience to our life if we like a beer or a wine. And we have sharp-edged screws. They have done a more subtle sharpening of the spiral edge to keep corks from breaking and made the diameter of the screws rod thicker to make it more stressed. and an ergonomic scrap design. The handle has been manually tested by times, using a more economical radiant design, comfy and contoured easy grip. Slowly pull it out and then it's your time to delicious wine. We focus in this Beneno corkscrew on the middle of the cork and rotate the handle to put the screw into the cork. We keep rotating the handle until the wings fully opened, and then we gasp the wings and keep pressing down the wings until the wing closure. And then we slowly pull out the cork, and they will get a whole cork without cork crumbling in our wine. This is the Beneno premium quality wine opener here. Oh yeah. This is the wine opener is created for every moment of our life that is worth celebrating. This is the Beneno wine opener. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.